Welcome to Chiang Mai. With only a couple of days to explore this northern city in Thailand and soaring temperatures causing us to sweat as soon as we stepped outside, our goal was to try some local delicacies, explore the old town, and take part in a proper Thai cooking class. We started off at a local market checking out fresh ingredients, items we would later use to create 6 different dishes. Then we were whisked away to a beautiful setting to cook and of course eat to our heart's content. Food somehow always tastes better when you put your own love into making it. Our first days in Thailand were off to a beautiful start. From fun times at the amazing night market to sharing mouth-watering Thai cuisine and meeting the friendliest locals on our travels, we definitely wished we extended our time in vibrant Chiang Mai. Let's begin our journey in the heart of Old Town Chiang Mai in search of our first meal.
Hello from the quaint and beautiful city of Chiang Mai here in northern Thailand. We actually arrived several hours ago, but it is so hot and it's steaming here that we literally could not leave our hotel. But now that it is evening, we're gonna go out and explore the city.
We're actually so hungry, our tummies are grumbling from our travel day. We're gonna be hitting up this restaurant called the Coconut Shell Thai Food. We hear it's well rated, and they're gonna be serving some specialty cuisine that is born in Chiang Mai that we have been craving. Now let's go check it out and fill up our tummies. Within 5 minutes of us ordering food, it has already arrived on the table. And we decided to go for a Panang curry and a Khao Soi, which is a specialty here in Chiang Mai. It's like a Thai coconut curry noodle, and the noodles are actually crispy. Now both of our mains actually come in these coconut dishes, which are super cute. And in this heat, we gotta order our shakes. So I went for a guava. Comes in this really cute silver mug. Jason went for a mango. Now I gotta take a sip. Oh yeah, it's good. It's like salty but sweet at the same time.
This is actually really cool. So right beside the restaurant where the kitchen is located, they actually have all of this extra seating. And at nighttime, you can see right there behind me, there's a performance going on. Kind of wish that we came a little bit later so we could enjoy the full show. The Lord already migrated over here so we can watch the last little bit of the performance. And the food, by the way, guys, delicious. Honestly, a must-come restaurant here in Chiang Mai.
I gotta say, this is one of the best night markets we've ever been to, and I'm so glad we made it to Chiang Mai on a Sunday for us to experience this. They do have a lot of souvenirs that you can get here, but they also have a lot of handmade goods, like this cute little hedgehog that was knitted right on the spot. I had to get it for our friend Jade, who's completely obsessed with them, and all of this stuff is reasonably priced. Like this hedgehog was only 39 baht. We saw some people blowing glass, saw folks making these handmade decorative soaps that were absolutely adorable, and even tapestries.
This is absolutely hilarious. I thought everyone over there was grabbing a meal, but it turns out everyone is literally just getting a foot massage, a neck massage, a back massage. Apparently that's a huge thing for these night markets. Honestly, we may have to do one, but I don't know how much they'll like the smell of my feet. So we just hopped out of the car and we are heading towards a local market here in Chiang Mai. So one of the top attractions or top excursions that you can do here, that if you look up on Google, top things to do in Chiang Mai, cooking classes will pop up. And there are a ton of them. So we booked with, I believe it's called Siam Cooking Class. It looks really exciting, small group. I think there's a total only of 6 of us. So right now we are just at the market. We're gonna select our ingredients and they're gonna be cooking, I believe, 6 different dishes. It should be a really fun day.
First time that we're doing a cooking class. We actually did one in Hoi An and it was superb. We got to learn how to make 4 different Vietnamese dishes. Now we're going to be learning how to make Thai dishes and we're so excited. We're learning about different fruits here at the market. This is actually the cleanest market we've ever been to and they have so much variety. We're going to keep exploring for the next 10 minutes and then we're going to be heading to our cooking class.
I got on my stylish farmer's hat, and that's because before the actual cooking process, they're walking us through the beautiful garden. Right behind there, they have a water feature, and it's so cool to see everything they're growing. We got to learn about like Thai basil, lemongrass, ginger, all of it. It's just so cool to actually get to see all these fresh ingredients that we're going to be using for the dishes that we're going to be making. Lauren is banished from the cooking area because she decided to buy and is eating durian. The smell is horrendous. So she is not allowed in or around the kitchen area until she is finished. So we're actually just prepping some food right now. So we're just doing some cutting and you actually get to pick from your little menu here. So it's pretty cool. You get to make 6 different things. And yeah, we're just doing some cutting, getting it prepped before we head over to our station.
After we did our prepping for the soup and appetizer, the first thing we actually cooked was for our appetizer. I'm the only person who decided to go for the chicken salad, so I was doing it on my own, and Jason and Alex, one of the guys that we met here, is making spring rolls. It actually looks really good. I'm kind of impressed, babe. Did you roll this by yourself?
Oh yeah, you know I did. Look at it. Full disclosure though, yes, I did roll it, but technically I had a lot of help in terms of frying it. That's why you see that nice golden color. If it was me, I think it'd be a lot darker than that. After eating our appetizer and noodle soups, we actually went back to the prepping station where we prepared our curry paste, our stir fries, various things like that. And we actually just finished making our dessert. And the reason why is because the dessert needs time to cool. I got the banana spring roll and Lauren got the Thailand classic mango sticky rice. I think I actually got to head back now because we're going back to the station to actually make the stir fry along with our curries.
cooking class yesterday was so wonderful. We got to make Thai dishes that we have come to love in such a beautiful setting. That cooking school was by far the best that we've seen. I love that we had multiple people to help us out, and it was just the 6 of us in that group being able to learn how to make it together, and it was nice and homey. My favorite dish to make was the Khao Soi, being able to grind all of those different spices, and it turned out so wonderfully in that curry. And because it was my favorite, we gotta go have Khao Soi once again for our final day here in Chiang Mai. The food at Mr. Kai's restaurant was so good, but I do have to say the ambiance was top notch, and the owner was so sweet. I think his name is Mr. Kai, and we have almost never met anybody as sweet as him. Now, we recommend that you come check it out. It's right in the old city on the north side.
We had a great time here in Chiang Mai, especially with our cooking class. We really wish we had more time to explore this historic city, but join us next time as we head to the south of Thailand.